Okay, so we got a Dell here. This Dell is okay. This keyboard, sorry, this Dell is one of ours now, and I believe you got it for a bargain. It's part of the Richest Man in Babylon book series of the videos. This one has a charging issue, or I'm not sure. It has some sort of a. It works off the charger only. So as pictured, this is the machine, and they get that. Oh, son of a, okay. Basically, works only when the charger is connected, and I offered 100, 150, blah blah blah, 100. Sounds good. Pick it up. Happy days. So we got this with the charger. I thought it may be the charger over the photos. High power. This looks like maybe aftermarket replaced. I've got here the original one. This is my one, 65 watts. So let's have a look at the issue first. Yeah, so Dell will not charge if the adapter is not good. It's one of the shitty things about Dell. If the middle pin is not talking to the charger correctly, similar to the HP, but HP will not even power. Dell at least will power. Okay. Oh, that seems a bit loose. Okay. Power is on. Press F2. Yes, that's correct. BIOS setup. Battery I suspect is 0. Health is poor, okay. Idle, okay. Adapter unknown, that's why, okay. Should pull it out and it will shut down. So I'll bring my charger. This is the original Dell. The other one seems to be an aftermarket. Okay, let me just check the messages. And connected and white light on. Press power on, F2. Okay, that means there's a problem with the charging port. So we've got 65 watts now, which is great. Alright. Let's see if that number will increase. The percentage. Charging, that's good. Let's reboot into Windows. I don't even know what operating system on there. I have no user information. Yeah, this adapter is shit. It's definitely third party. fake one, okay. Probably off eBay. Oh, okay, they've done a factory reset. Okay, great. Why did my PC restart? Who knows? Hello, Surican speaking. Hi, how are you going? Alright, so this one, we're just finishing up the setup. What happened to that job sheet? Oh yeah, that's better. Okay. Sure. We're gonna. Okay, we'll call this user because that's where we'll sell it, and the user account. Okay, I'll just come back when this finishes. Should be anytime soon. I don't even know what spec it has. Definitely an i5, probably a 4th gen. For $100, it's a bargain. Working screen, keyboard. We've sold a Dell laptop for $250. We might have a buyer for this already, but we'll just have to see. Come on. Hinges seems to be good. Charging port a little bit loose. Okay, let's have a look. So battery was 0% before, and now it is 6%. The battery is charging. Great. i5 5th generation. Okay, nice. 1 TB hard drive. 8 GB RAM. Fantastic. For $100, it's a killer. Okay. Of course, that's not an SSD. WD. Okay, we can put a 128 or 256, etc. What else we can say? Yeah, there's nothing wrong with this camera. One thing I will say is actually look at the, yes, yeah, even camera is fine. Look at that, it's a HD camera. Nice, very sharp, very clear. We'll check the Nearsoft battery life. By the way, which version of Windows? 2004, that's fine. We can do feature update, no problem. Hi, battery low. I always like to click on Nearsoft's ads. He may earn some money out of it. Wow, battery health 25%. Yeah, that's shitty battery, okay. Okay, so no problem, a replacement battery can be ordered and works off the charger beautifully. I would say maybe we secure that charging port. So if I disconnect the charger, it stays on. Battery low, obviously, okay. What we'll do, we'll tighten that screw up, that DC jack. And that will be it. So basically, if you do get that message, it usually means most likely the charger is the problem, or the charging port. Okay, wonderful. Now, let's have a look on the bottom of it. Just secure that DC jack a little bit more. SSD drive will definitely benefit this computer. So black on the bottom, white on top. PC3L, okay. I think that's about it, eh? Anything you can else think of we need to remove? That's it. So let's pop this cover out. Okay, this may be the one where maybe the top panel comes off. Let's see. Screw is missing, so meaning someone had opened up this before. which is fine. Wow. It's crazy. Alright, so we got all the screws out. What's going on? Okay, I'm making a mistake. Should be taking the bottom side out. No, the top cover comes off. Okay, there we go. Okay, so this shouldn't come out. What the hell is going on? Can't believe this is not coming out. It's the bottom panel that's supposed to come out. Okay, I figured it out. Okay, I'm an idiot. Hopefully you're not watching this video to do a disassembly. Shit. Feel so stupid. Okay, there we go. I've been working on a lot of models, newer models, which doesn't require keyboard to come out first. Okay, there we go. Okay, such a weird design. Okay, it's mostly my fault. So okay, so here we go. So that DC jack is loose. There is a screw holder, but there's no screw. Why don't we put a screw inside? Okay, let's secure. Try now. Perfect. That was crazy doing all that. Okay. Okay. That was a little bit mental by me. Okay. Okay. Keyboard. We won't fully close it. We'll double check that it works. Fuck. Wow, this should be called a Joy Computer Service Center. Fuck. Shouldn't even publish this video. Okay. Okay. This one is the small ones. Nope. Okay. Okay, great. Great, okay. Okay, let's see if this works before we finalize it. Charging port is very stable. Power on. Not loose anymore. Oh. Okay. Take some photos, send to this potential customer. See what they want to say. Hello. Oh yeah, no worries. Yeah, thank you. That's the Surface laptop. Here we go. I just ticker taped it, but don't press too much. The battery is like bubble. It can explode. Thank you. Bye bye. All right, great. Just check the keyboard is working. Yeah, backlight is working. Numbers are working. Great. Yeah, we don't care about the shutting down. I think we're gonna do an SSD upgrade on this. Uh, okay, so just sent a potential client about this. Let's see what they want to say. With the 128 gig SSD. So some screws missing there. They will be the flat ones like these guys maybe. Nope. Okay, great. And the Wi-Fi chip. Okay, that's in. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna replace this with an SSD as well anyway, so okay, here we go. Okay, there we go. There we go. It does turn on with whatever battery is in there. Can't remember if this hard drive has an Windows on it. No, it doesn't have. Okay, no problem. And reboot, and it should just boot into the USB, so I don't need to change any secure boot settings because it's an official Windows 10 USB. We should see the spinning logo if there isn't any problems. That's fine, this is normal. We should see the Windows 10 setup come up. Yeah, like I said, that's normal. Okay, the setup is ready to go. I think that will be the end of the video. If there's any issues, I will make another video. But at the moment, this guy will be good to go. Yeah, thanks for watching. This was fun. See you in the next one.